friends, I am Vaibhav. Today we will learn about the place value of larger numbers in international place value system and the difference between the Indian place value system and the international place value system. International place value system is used worldwide. In this system, the first 9 places are grouped into 3 periods: ones, thousands, and millions. The rightmost period is called the ones period, the middle period is called the thousands period, and the left period is called the millions period. The value of each period is 10 times the value of the place of the period immediate right. To understand this system, let's take an example. The number of tourists visited last year. To write the number in words, we need to place the letters in the correct position from left to right. Thus, the number will be read as 126,778,743. Now, we will understand the rules to read and write large numbers as per the International Place Value System. Number 1. While writing the number, we have to separate the periods with commas. Like 126,778,743 as 126,778,743. Number 2. While reading a number, we have to always read from left to right. We have to see the number in each period and read the number in the period name, like 126,778,743. Note that the name of the period is always read or written as singular. Number 3. If a period has 0 all the place, then we have to skip that period. For example, we will read this number as 120,030,000. Note that the ones period here is being skipped in reading. When we read the numbers, we ignore the period and its digit, in which its digits are all zeros. Number 4. We will read out the names of the ones period while reading out all other periods. For example, 126,743. Now we know how to read and write large numbers, both as per the Indian place value system and the international place value system. Now we will discuss what is the difference between the Indian place value system and the international place value system. First is the name of the periods. In Indian place value system, there are 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Whereas in the international place value system, there are 3 periods: ones, thousands, and millions. Second is the division of the periods. In the Indian place value system, the ones period is only divided into 3 parts, where other periods are divided into 2 parts. Whereas in the international place value system, all periods are divided into 3 parts. Third is the placement of commas. In the Indian place value system, the first comma is placed after the hundreds period, lakhs, thousands, and so on. Let's take an example for this. 23 crores, 45 lakhs, 67,890. Whereas in the international place value system, the first comma is placed after the hundreds period, then thousands, and so on. Let's take an example for this also. 234,567,890. Now we have to grasp the below forever. In the Indian place value system, 1 lakh equals to 100,000 in the international place value system. 10 lakhs in the Indian place value system equals to 1 million in the international place value system. 1 crore in the Indian place value system equals to 10 millions in the international place value system. 10 crores equals in the international place value system equals to 100 millions in the international place value system, and 100 crores in the Indian place value system equals to 1000 millions or 1 billion in the international place value system. Hence, today we have learned how to apply place value charts for the large numbers as per the international place value system. How to identify the periods as per the international place value system, the use of the place value chart for reading and writing large numbers as per the international place value system, and the difference between the Indian place value system and the international place value system. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell below to get notifications when I will upload more videos. Thank you.